going to share compiler designer question and answer. Question number 1. What is a compiler? A compiler is a program that reads a program written in one language, the source language, and translates it into an equivalent program in another language, the target language. The compiler reports to its user the presence of errors in the source program. What are the two parts of a compilation? Explain briefly. Analysis and synthesis are the two parts of compilation. The analysis part breaks up the source program into constituent pieces and creates an intermediate representation of the source program. The synthesis part constructs the desired target program from the intermediate representation. List the subparts of phases of analysis part. Analysis consists of three phases: linear analysis, hierarchical analysis, semantic analysis. Depict diagrammatically how a language is processed. First, skeletal source program. Then preprocessor is happened. Then it goes to source program. Then compiler make it target assembly program. Assembler relocable machine code. Then loader or linker editor, it made the absolute machine code. What is linear analysis? Linear analysis is one in which the stream of characters making up the source program is read from left to right and grouped into tokens that are sequence of characters having a collective meaning. It is also called lexical analysis or scanning. List the various phases of compiler. The following are the various phases of a compiler: lexical analyzer, syntax analyzer, semantic analyzer, intermediate code generator, code optimizer, and code generator. What are the classification of a compiler? Compilers are classified as single pass, multi-pass, load and go, debugging, or optimizing. What is a symbol table? A symbol table is a data structure containing a record for each identifier with fields for the attributes of the identifier. The data structure allows us to find the record for each identifier quickly and to store or retrieve data from that record quickly. Whenever an identifier is detected by a lexical analyzer, it is entered into a symbol table. The attributes of an identifier cannot be determined by the lexical analyzer. Mention some of the cousins of compiler. Cousins of compilers are preprocessors, assemblers, and loaders or linkers. List the phases that constitute the front end of a compiler. The front end consists of those phases or parts of phases that depend primarily on the source language and are targetly independent of the target machine. These include lexical and synthetic analysis, the creation of symbol table, synthetic analysis, generation of intermediate code. A certain amount of code optimization can be done by the front end as well as also includes error handling that goes along with each of the phases. Mention the backend phases of a compiler. The backend of compiler includes those portions that depends on the target machine, and generally those portions do not depend on the source language, just the intermediate language. These include code optimization, code generation along with error handling and symbol table operation. Define compiler. Systems to help with the compiler writing process are often been referred to as compilers. Compiler generators or translator writing systems. Largely, they are oriented around a particular model of language and they are suitable for generating compilers of language. Similar model. List the various compiler construction tools. The following is a list of some compiler construction tools: cursor generator, scanner generator, syntax directed translation engine, automatic code generators, dataflow engines. Differentiate tokens, patterns, lexeme. Tokens, sequence of characters that have a collective meaning. Patterns, these are the set of string in the input for which the same token is produced as output. This set of string is described by a rule called pattern associated with the token. Lexeme, a sequence of characters in the source program that is matched by the pattern for a token. List the operations on language: union, concatenation, clean clause, in clean closure, positive closure, etc. Write a regular expression for an identifier. An identifier is defined as a letter followed by 0 more letters or digits. The regular expression for an identifier is given as letter, first bracket, letter, separated digit, first bracket, close, and star. Mention the various notational shorthands for representing regular expression. One or more instances, 0 or 1 instances, character classes, where ABC or alphabet symbols denotes the regular expression. Non-regular sets. What is the function of a hierarchical analysis? Hierarchical analysis is one in which the tokens are grouped hierarchically into nested collections with collective meaning. What does a semantic analysis do? Semantic analysis is one in which certain checks are performed to ensure that components of a program fit together meaningfully. Mainly performs type checking. List the various error recovery stages for a lexical analysis. Possible error recovery actions are panic mode recovery, deleting an extraneous characters, inserting a missing character, replacing an incorrect character by a correct character, transposing two adjacent characters,